YouTube welcome script. Short, powerful, attention-grabbing. Hey treasure hunters. Welcome to the channel where pocket change could make you rich overnight. Today, we're diving into the world of rare bicentennial Kennedy half dollars, those old 1976 coins you thought were worthless. Some are worth thousands, even millions. If you've got a 1974 Liberty or bicentennial half dollar lying around, don't spend it. It could change your life. Hit that like button, and let's uncover the secrets hiding in your spare change. Let's get started. The world of coin collecting is filled with hidden treasures, and few coins have stirred as much excitement and curiosity as the 1976 bicentennial half dollarist, searching for rare and highly valuable versions. Though these coins were minted in honor of America's 200th birthday, their true value lies far beyond their face value of 50 cents. While most circulated versions are commonly found, a few rare variants have surfaced with extraordinary features, errors, and finishes that can make them worth thousands or even millions of dollars in today's thriving collector market. If you've ever come across a Kennedy half dollar dated 1776 to 1976, don't overlook its potential. It could change your fortune forever. At first glance, the bicentennial Kennedy half dollar might seem ordinary. The obverse still features the iconic portrait of John F. Kennedy, while the reverse was redesigned to feature Independence Hall, a fitting tribute to the American Revolution. But hidden among the millions of these coins are rare varieties that collectors feverishly hunt. Some rare proof and special mint strike SMS versions made in 40% silver were not released for general circulation and were instead sold in collector sets. These silver-clad coins, especially in pristine, uncirculated condition, can sell for hundreds, but there are even more exclusive coins, deep cameo proofs, and coins with minting anomalies that have fetched staggering sums at auctions. One of the rarest types is the bicentennial half dollar struck on the wrong planchette, meaning it was mistakenly made using the metal intended for another denomination, like a quarter or dollar. These era coins are highly unusual and often escape quality control, making their way into the hands of lucky collectors. Such mistakes are so rare that when discovered, they ignite bidding wars among elite coin collectors. With prices easily soaring into the 5- or 6-figure range, a single coin with such a unique error can be valued at over $100,000, depending on its grade, rarity, and historical appeal. Even more jaw-dropping are the ultra-rare 1974 Kennedy half dollars believed to be transitional errors or early test strikes for the 1976 bicentennial design. Although not officially released, a few of these enigmatic coins have surfaced with features that don't align with official mint records, sparking theories, investigations, and skyrocketing values. These coins often exhibit sharp reliefs, unusual die marks, or even mismatched dates, turning them into numismatic mysteries. Experts speculate that these could be pattern coins or experimental strikes, categories that have historically sold for as much as $1 million or more. The allure of the bicentennial coin also lies in its symbolism. It marked a celebration of American freedom, unity, and independence. Collectors often attach emotional and patriotic significance to these coins, which enhances their perceived value. Limited edition proof coins with flawless finishes, particularly those graded PR70, perfect condition, are especially desirable. When combined with silver content and historical significance, their market value often climbs dramatically. In recent years, such coins have become centerpieces of elite coin collections and museum exhibits. What truly stuns most people is that these rare half dollars can still be found in unexpected places, tucked away in old drawers, inherited from a grandparent's coin jar, or sitting unnoticed in a garage sale pile. It's not unheard of for an average person to unknowingly hold one of these rare and valuable coins, mistaking it for common pocket change. Stories have circulated of individuals discovering coins worth tens of thousands simply by examining their everyday loose change or inherited coin albums. That's the magic of coin collecting. Life-changing surprises often hide in plain sight, so if you come across a bicentennial Kennedy half dollar, especially one with unusual coloration, strange texturing, or a heavier weight, hold on to it tightly. Have it evaluated by a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. These organizations can authenticate and grade your coin, giving it a certified market value. With the right features, such as being struck on silver planchettes, having dramatic errors, or possessing perfect condition, your 50-cent piece might just be worth more than a brand new luxury car or even a house.